Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, girls. Are you excited to start my own lesson for today? Bravo, girls. Okay, let me start my own lesson for today. But as you know, I should start asking you about the day and the date. Who can tell me, girls? What's the day today? Who can tell me? What's the day today? Today is Tuesday. Let's spell the word Tuesday together. Tuesday. Again, Tuesday. And the date is 26 to 1442 after Hijrah. Again, the date is 26 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Now let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. Now we will play balloons game. Let me ask you the questions behind number 1. What's the question behind number 1? Give me 3 singular words. Give me 3 singular words. Pen, pencil, book. Now I will throw one balloon. Let's see the question behind number 2. Make a sentence using brother. I have 2 brothers. Now I will throw one balloon. Let's see the question behind number 3. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Now I will throw one balloon. Number 4. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. Now I will throw one balloon. Number 5. Make a sentence using father. My father's name is Hamoud. Now I will throw one balloon. 6. What's your father's name? My father's name is Hamoud. Okay, now I will throw one balloon. Number 7. How many persons do you have in your family? I have 6 persons in my family. Number 8, sorry. What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Hind. Now I will throw one balloon. How many sisters do you have? I have 4 sisters. Now I will throw one balloon. And the last question is, give me 5 words. Start with letter D. Door, dog, dolphin, doll, and dinosaur. Now I will throw the last balloon, girls. Now let's start my own lesson today. Lesson 2 and Unit 3. And as you know, it's about my family, page number 22 and 23. Page number 22 and 23. Please, girls, now I want you to open your box, page number 22 and 23. Write the day with the date, then close your box. Quickly, girls, open your box, page number 22 and 23. Write the day with the date and close your box. Quickly, please, girls. Now, let's see this definition. Demonstrative pronouns. We took this definition before, girls. Are pronouns that are used to point to something specific within a sentence. Are pronouns that are used to point to something specific within a sentence. Last time we discussed this is and that is. Today, inshallah, we will discuss together these are and those are. Today, inshallah, we will discuss these are and those are together. Now, let's take a quick revision on this is and that is. Choose the correct answer first. Here, what can you see? I can see one pen, okay? I can see one pen. This pen is far away from me. So, I should say, or I should use that is. That is a pen. That is a pen. Why should I use that is, girls? Because here I have only one pen and this pen is far away from me. Okay, girls? Now, number 3, a yellow t-shirt. A yellow t-shirt. Number 1, that are, that is, and this is. Now, girls, How many t-shirts can you see? I can see one t-shirt, right? So one t-shirt, and this t-shirt is near to me, so I should use this is. This is a yellow t-shirt, okay? This is a yellow t-shirt, okay, girls? Now, let's discuss these are and those are. These are and those are used with plural words, are used with plural words, more than one object. Again, these are and those are used with plural words, more than one object. What do I mean by more than one object? I mean not only one, more than one, okay? Now let's see here. How many bags can you see? I can see three bags. Two. I can see three pencils. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can see 7 pens. So these are and those are used with plural words, more than one object. Now let's see. These are first. These are is used with something or someone near to you. Is used with something or someone near to you. What do I mean by this? Let's see an example first. Let's see an example. Here, what can you see? I can see 7 pens. So, this means that I should use either these are or those are, right? So, these are is used with something or someone near to you. Now, let's see the example here. I can see 7 pens. So, let's see. 7 pens. This means that I should use these are or those are. Let's see the sentence first. 1. My pens. So, these pens now near to me. Near to me. So, I should use these are. So, here I can see more than one pen. This means that I should use these are or those are. Now, these pens now are near to me. So I should use these are. These are my pens. Now, let's see those are. Those are used, is used with something or someone far away from you. Okay? Something or someone far away from you. Far away. Now, let's see the example. So, first, I can see 3 bags. Now, my bags. My bags. So, those bags are far away from me. So, I should use those are. Those are my bags. Those are my bags. Those are my bags. Okay, girls? Now, let's see. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, my pens. My pens. What should we use? We should use either these are or those are. So, these pens are near to me. So, I should use these are. Let's see. 2. Choose the right answer here. I have so many books here, and those books are far away from me, so I should use those are my books. Those are books. Okay, those are books. Why? Because those books are far away from me. Far away. Okay, girls? Now let's start the new words of my lesson today. Okay, girls? Let's start. We will play picture reveals, girls, now. I will try to remove the numbers to discover what's the new word behind these numbers. Now I will remove number 3. Now can you guess what's the new word here? Okay, now I will remove number 1. Can you guess what's the new word? Yeah, I can guess the new word now. He is a grandfather or he is a grandpa. Again, he is a grandfather or he is a grandpa. Let's spell the word grandpa together. Grandpa. Again, Grandpa. He is a grandpa. 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 He is a grandpa. Okay, girls? Now let's see the second word in my lesson today. Now I will try to remove number 4. Can you guess what's the new word? No. Now please remove number 1. Now, can you guess what's the new word? Yeah, now I can guess the new word. The new word is grandma. The new word is grandma or grandmother. Grandmother or grandma. Let's spell the word together, please, girls. Grandma. Grandma. Okay, girls? Now, who is he, girls? Who is he? He is King Abdulaziz, right? He is King Abdulaziz. He is the father of King Salman, right? Now, قال تعالى وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا. If I ask you girls, what did you understand from this ayah? You should say, we understood from this ayah that we have to obey my God and my parents, my mother and my father. Right, girls? Now, please, girls, I want you to open your box. Open your books, please, girls. Page number 22. Page number 22, girls. And listen, please. Open page number 22 and listen.
Rhythms and sounds. Exercise 1. Chant and do. 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mom called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Okay, girls. Let me sing this song. 5 little monkeys. Wait, please. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mom called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Okay, girls? Again, 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mom called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Okay, girls? Now let's see the second slide. Now I want you to copy this song in your notebook, please, girls. Write the day with the date. Write the day with the date, then copy this song in your notebook, please, girls. Now, exercise to chant and change the names. We have mom, dad, grandma, and grandpa. Let me do the first name, dad. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Dad called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Okay, girls, we will complete doing this exercise in my life, girls. Now let's see fun time. 5 little monkeys game. Act out the chant. We will also do this exercise in my life together, girls. Now your homework is page number 81 and 82. Please, girls, I want you to trace the gray words here, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Then trace and write letter S. Then I want you to sing this song. Then trace the gray words here, 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Then trace and write letter T. Okay, girls? Now, you have a homework, of course. I want you to write 4 sentences using this, that, these, and those. Okay, girls? If you want to answer this question, you should draw some pictures. You should draw some pictures, girls, okay? So, this is your homework. Write 4 sentences using this, that, these, and those. Okay, girls? This is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.